Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my first DT project. I already showed you like a overall idea of how it was going to be, but now it is all finished and done, so it's ready for you to see the flip through, and I cannot wait to hear what you think about this project. I did go ahead and shorten up the closure just a teeny tiny bit, so it's just like with one wrap. And on the front, what I did was, as you can see here, I used some Nouveau drops on top of the flower, and the rest I left like it was. But I just love the dimension and I just love the look of the Nouveau drop. So I used that one as a finishing touch of my front. Then as we open her up, you see that this flip has stayed the same with a beautiful window, and in the back this gorgeous image. I only added a heart on her shirt, like she has a print of a heart on her shirt. And I'll move her a little bit up and close so you can see the beautiful details of the frame. What I did here was again using my Nouveau drops and also adding some sequences with on top just a teeny tiny drop of Nouveau. And here in this flower I just added 2 rosebuds, as you can see here. I just love that. So then for the second one, that's this. I created with the glossy accents a sort of a frame that is glazed and a sort of enamel look on this frame, and I just added some teeny tiny puffy stickers there from the collection. And on the bottom I put in a word quote from Tim Holtz, and that says, "Be in love with your life." Then for the last sort of a page here from this side, I added a beautiful piece of mesh. Then that cute, super cute die that everyone is talking about and has in their stash. I did die cut that, and I used a beautiful quote there from the Marigold collection. And on top of that, I used some beautiful puffy stickers. They are, I believe, from the Sweet Story collection, these two. So I just love this. Put a little bit more up and close so you can see it and the details and the layers. I just love that. The background of this layer is made with the digital image of the library card page from the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection. So then I'll put it like so and flip it around so you can see the first pages here, which is a Sweet Story Polaroid frame that I turned into a shaker. I'm hoping you can see it, but it does have some shaker bits there in the background. I didn't raise it up as high, so the sequences stay in their corner or just around the image. And some of them, which are tiny pieces, like this piece here, will go through the window if you just turn it around. I created a frame using a tag that says "Wild flowers don't care where they grow," and that's a beautiful quote there as well. Some piece of a doily here, which is a plastic doily. On top of that, I added a teeny tiny enamel dot there, which I accented with my Nouveau drop. So that's what I did for that. And then when you turn this around, you can see this beautiful image here. I just love her. Just love this bunny, which is one of my favorites now to use. Again, you can see pieces of that plastic doily there that I used. And I did frame her in, and I used some mesh, as you can see in the background there. Added some dots, and also I did try to create a sort of enamel look by using the glossy accent there. And as you can see, the beautiful layering and the details of the bunny. I just love the combination of those two. Then for the last one, which I also shared on my Instagram page, is this super cute layered up flower. You can see here. And a beautiful bee there from the Sweet Story collection. And I just love how this turned out. I put a piece of mesh in the background. Also again, that doily. And yeah, just created some layers there to give it some more of an interest. So that's for that. Then I will pull out the tags that are inside and show you one by one. This is the first one. They have basically the same cardstock, but I just put on some different frames and different quotes. This one says, be authentic, and it has a beautiful epoxy heart there, word quote from the Tim Holtz collection. And that's just basically it, because you cannot put so many layers on the tags because they still have to slide inside. So that's for the first one. Maybe I'll just put them here on the side so you can see them as well. This is the second one, which is also a beautiful image from the Garden Party collection. I put it in beautiful foam sticker there. Or yeah, it's foam sticker from the Sweet Story collection again, and it says be original. And I put some beautiful glossy accents there to sort of make it a little bit more of dimensional. And I did tuck in a piece of mesh in the background just for some interest. And that's for that one. Then for the next one, I kept it quite simple, but I do love the layers that it has from the frame, and then that doily here, and it says cultivate kindness. And I did go ahead and used my alcohol markers to create these color schemes, which match perfectly with the background as well. So I'm quite happy with how that turned out. That's for that one. Then for this one, which has again a beautiful quote that says do what you love, and that's my advice to every one of us: do what you love. And that's how this looks like. Use some two puffy stickers again from the Sweet Story collection. And I just love that. I hoarded these puffy stickers, but now it's some time to use them again. Let me see. Yeah, then I have this one, which is one of my favorites. I just love how she turned out with her tiny elements there. And this is also one of my favorite looks. I just love the gold with this patina look. I just love it. And it says embrace the journey. Again, a quote from the Tim Holtz collection. And I added this alcohol markers, a few layers, green and blue, to create this color. But I just love how she turned out. That's for this one. And then for the last one, which is this, and it says our happy place, which is from the Marigold collection. Just love that. So super cute. I just love it. So this is how my accordion folded mini album turned out, with beautiful tags and lots of flip outs there. Spaces for you to create and to yeah, make some beautiful items there. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching my very first DT project for this month. I know I'm running a bit late and I still have to finish up the second one, so stay tuned for that one. That will be up soon. And yeah, that's all that I wanted to share for today. Hope you all feeling well and you are staying safe. And yeah, hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.